to this hypnotic experience. This recording will help you to release anxiety and stress. Listen to this recording in a peaceful, safe, and serene place where you can allow yourself to relax and take a well-deserved break. Listen with your headphones in a quiet environment for the best results. And do not listen to this recording while driving or operating a heavy machinery. First, find a comfortable place and close your eyes. We will be doing some breathing now, and it's important that your breathing is calm and relaxed. Focus on your breathing and feel that with every breath that you take, your body is relaxing. Take a deep breath now through your nose and slowly release it through your mouth. Feel your whole body relaxing now, starting from your head and moving down to your shoulders, your chest, your belly, your hips, your legs and your arms. Just keep breathing in and keep breathing out, making you feel so relaxed and so comfortable. You are drifting into a deep and comfortable feeling now. Just listen to the sound of my voice. Any outside sounds do not distract you or disturb you. They just become a part of your background and making you feel even more comfortable, protected, stress-free, worry-free, and relaxed. It's just such a wonderful feeling to be calm, safe, protected, and relaxed. And I'm curious, where in your body you feel the most relaxed? Allow this relaxation to spread through your whole entire body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. This makes you feel so good and even more comfortable, more relaxed, stress-free, worry-free. There is nothing for you to do now, nothing to attend to, besides just here and now. Now you just finally give yourself a break. And you know you deserve this break. You deserve to feel so relaxed, so comfortable, worry-free, and protected. And in hypnosis, not only the body relaxes, mind relaxes as well. to use your great imagination. I want you to imagine in your mind's eye a ruler right in front of you. It is a simple ruler that measures the depth of your relaxation state. And you can see this ruler very vividly now. This ruler is approximately 36 inches, or about 1 meter. Whichever measure system is easier for you. Now, the top of the ruler is 36 inches, and this is your full consciousness, your full awakening state, your analytical mind that knows 2 plus 2 is 4. And this analytical mind is great, but right now, all we care about is your subconscious mind. So we send that analytical mind far away. You can return to your full awakening state whenever you wish. But I know right now, in this moment, all you wish is to be stress-free, worry-free, peaceful, relaxed and calm. So bring your attention back to this ruler. See it clearly and notice the number on this ruler. Number of this ruler represents the depth of your relaxation now. For example, if you see the number 16, this is your depth of the relaxation now. So in your mind's eye, move it with your finger the depth of your relaxation 2 inches down from where it was before. For example, if it is 16, move it 2 inches down to 14. And once you move this number, you're going deeper and deeper into a deep relaxing state. So now, move it down a couple of inches deeper and deeper. And as you move it deeper, so as your relaxation goes deeper and deeper, deeper, or that others have presented on you at some stages of your life. Or they may represent fears or doubts or feelings of not being good enough. Whatever those thoughts are, let them go. Let them go now. Most times thoughts are just thoughts. And this means we can control our thoughts and how we feel about them. And the truth is, sometimes we have to experience the struggles of life in order to really appreciate the good times when they come. And believe me, good times always come. It's just like a sunshine right after a storm. It's just like the rainbow. Because life is a cycle of ups and downs. And you can either go that way or this way. And you always have a choice. And making that choice sometimes requires just a little bit of effort to change your direction. But you can do it. One of the universal laws of life is that we have a free choice. Some things in life we can't change, for instance, our mind, our direction, and that's great, that's beautiful. And of course, some things we cannot change, for instance, death. Death is like birth is mandatory, and we cannot change once it's done. But in the process of life, we always have to remember that we must enjoy our life in between. And that means that your mind commands and your body obeys. And when you tell yourself that you are calm and relaxed, stress-free, comfortable, you instantly experience that calm, relaxed feeling, worry-free, anxiety-free. Always remember that you are in charge. You have the ability and the knowledge to let go of all of the unwanted thoughts, feelings, worries, stress, and anxieties. You believe in yourself and your abilities to overcome all of the challenges. And in fact, the greater the challenge, the more you feel confident that you can and will overcome any and all of the concerns. Struggles-free, goal-oriented, calm, and in control. You start to believe in yourself, in your proficiency to achieve balance. You just feel more relaxed in general because you know you can handle this. You absolutely believe you can handle and deal with anything in this life. Every morning and every night, you feel happy and content. And there are so many great things to be grateful for, even if they are just small things. You are thinking more and more in the positive ways through the day. intuitively know that you can do this. You can take this control. You can be in charge of your mind, your thoughts, and your body. And you feel so wonderful. Now, in your mind, I want you to repeat after me. Everything is going to be alright, and this is temporary. Today, I choose happiness and joy. I know that self-care is important, and this is why I eat my regular meals, drink plenty of water, and get a good amount of sleep. I give myself permission to take a well-deserved break because I deserve it. Tomorrow is a new day, and I will focus one day at a time, one thing at a time. I am strong, confident, and I am enough. I let go of all of the unwanted thoughts and feelings, and there is no space for toxic in my life. I will continue to heal all of my past traumas, and I have all of the tools that I need. I don't have to prove anything to anyone. I feel centered and grounded. My stress and anxiety doesn't define me, and I celebrate me and my wins. I let go of what I cannot change, and I do my best with what I can. I only allow feelings of harmony and peace into my life. Every life experience presents an opportunity to become wiser and grow stronger. After all, we are all here for some type of lesson. I let go all of the emotional blockages into the universe because I know they do not serve me any purpose. So relax even deeper now, only aware of your mind and my voice now. Your mind is open to new opportunities and the positive resources you have within you. You feel a strong sense of knowing that you want out of this life. And you see your future knowing that the power is within you. And you take control of your life and your future self. Only be wide awake and your body will return to normal. And you will feel so refreshed, inspired, energized, worry-free, anxiety-free, stress-free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wide awake. Thank you for listening. Remember to subscribe and like this video.